Here's how to make some easy, cute labels using your Cricut Joy machine to get your home organized for spring.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night.
Here's my messy craft drawer that I would like to free up to use for something else. So I picked up these cute decorative containers and I'm gonna use them for like markers and paper. And I took the lids and put these cute stickers on them. And now I'm going to label each one. I did the first one already, so here's what it's gonna look like. And I did this right on my Cricut Joy machine. It turns out so cute, and you can use labels for organizing anything in your house, like your pantry containers or your spices. So let me show you how I made the label. Here is what I'm using to make my labels. So I have my Cricut Joy machine, which is nice and small and compact. And then I'm gonna use the Smart Label Writable Vinyl Permanent. And then you need a fine point pen. And then you also use your regular blade. And then this is a light grip mat. I'm using this beautifully patterned paper. And this has an adhesive back. And then I'm also using my cutter. These different patterns of paper make such a pretty background for my label. So here you can see the oval that was cut out, and all I did was make an oval on my Cricut Design Space on my computer, and I'll show you how I'm gonna print that out. And then you can see here the oval is cut out, so I'm just gonna pull that off, and it's sticky on the back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right on my label. Now my oval sticker is on here, and I just have to go ahead and make the next label. I designed the label part right on the Cricut Design Space on my computer, and this is the material that I'm going to use, and it's going to create a label like where it says pens to stick right on top of my ovals. Here's what the label paper looks like. I just rolled out the whole roll, and for the first part of this cut, you're going to take out your blade and you're going to put in your Cricut Joy pen. And you just close that up, and then it will cue you when it's time to put the blade back in to make the circular cut. Next, I just slid it into my cutter, and then, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I guess I can. Now I'm just peeling my label off. And I think these would also be great. This is kind of hard to do one-handed. These would be great in your pantry or in your laundry room, anywhere that you have some organization that needs to be done. Now I'm just centering it on the oval and pressing down. Now you have a cute label.
Four, three, two, one, let go! Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tongue.
Let's go see what I put inside of my containers. Here's all of my Cricut pens. And here are some of my tools, accessories. And here is some of the paper that I use. And now I have all that stuff organized. I was able to free up this drawer for something else. And how cute are these?